Hello guys, this is my honest review of this digital caliper that I've been using for some time. So the idea is to show you that it's still good, still works. Okay, so here as you can see, there's this LCD display and I have here the measurement in inches and I can change here to millimeters and I can also calibrate here. When I press 0 here is to calibrate. When I have it closed, I need to make sure it's in 0. Okay, press here, make sure it's 0, then I can just open it up and start measuring stuff, right? Let's just take a look at this one, for example. When I come here and I measure this, and I can see here the information, the LCD screen. So it's pretty good, works pretty fine, and it's easy to use, okay? To power this device, you just need to have this battery. It comes already here, you just need to remove a plastic and then starts working. So it's good enough. Just put this back in place and it's ready to go. Press 0 again here to make sure that's calibrated and you're good to go. It's very precise. I've been using it for some time to measure stuff and it works and good. It's still good, right? So I like it and I recommend it.